Okay, so now that we think that they cross here at -1, -2, so that's our x, that's our y, we have to check that that point is actually where they cross, okay? So what we do to check is you take both of the equations and you replace the x with the -1, because that's the x value, and you replace the y with the -2, because that is our y value that we think is the answer, and then you see if it's true. Okay, so in the first equation, I'm going to replace the x with the -1, and I'm going to replace the y with the -2, and I'm going to see if it equals -1. So the equation, the first equation is 3x minus y equals -1. So now let's check. So 3, and then replace x with -1, minus, and then replace y with -2. And let's check this out. 3 times -1 is -3, and this is like a negative times a negative, so that's a +2, right? And then -3 plus 2 is -1. So look, it equaled the -1. So the first equation worked. But now you have to check that it worked in the second equation, because this is a system. We have to check to see if it works in both. So the second equation was 2x plus y equals -4. So I'm going to replace, again, the x with -1 and the y with -2. So 2 times -1 plus -2, I'm going to see if it equals -4. So 2 times -1 is -2, plus -2 is, of course, -4. So yay. So that means that is our solution, and we've checked it, and we're good to go.